Yeah, 59. Yeah, great signal tonight. Yeah, few QSO. Yeah, tonight. Yeah, generally the weekend I swap. You know, sometimes I use this one. Sometimes I use the Paraset. Sometimes I use also this one. Sometimes I use this one. It depends. You know. On tonight is this one. And yeah, good QSO. It's pushing. Yeah, this transceiver is quite powerful. You know, it's small by size, but it's about 12 to 14 watts. It's not a QRP, in fact. It's above 10 watts according with the output power. Okay, my best 73. Have a nice weekend, guys.